To use instant slow motion feature when watching a video in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open a video you like to watch. Next, play the video. Now all you need to do is just press and hold on any part of the video and it will automatically switch to slow motion as you are watching. This phone does this by using generative AI to create new frames and gives you a slow motion effect to the clip. With this AI-based feature, now you can easily see how any video looks in slow motion with a quick press and hold. Unfortunately, this feature just lets you to preview the video in slow motion, and there's no option to save the video in slow motion after previewing it. However, if you'd like to apply a slow motion effect to your video, you need to go to the edit screen and adjust the speed of the video and then save it. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.